Okay. Hi everyone, good morning. So I got a new computer table and I ordered this yesterday and they said that it's gonna be it's gonna take 1 to 5 days before it delivered, but surprisingly it's here. So it's just a day. And yeah, I got this for 3,640 from Pure Gold, and the brand is Sanyang. Not sure if I'm pronouncing it right, but this is what it looks like. I mean, it's not a real wood, so you can see like this, you know. But I really love the color, the texture, and also the most important thing is it's not, flimsy. Is that the word? And it got 2 drawers, just it's not that deep, and also got this kind of knob over here. My first idea was I'm going to paint it, but I'm not sure yet what kind of paint to use. But yeah, this is what it looks like. It got this holes there for like wires. It's good. And also I just love, it's really heavy. We lifted up my brother, my sister-in-law, and me up to the stairs here, up in my bedroom. So it's like really heavy and very sturdy, so it's not moving or anything. So I love that. That's the first thing that I check before I got this. But yeah, so I'm going to organize. So that's my kind of work area, not really like my just desk area. So yeah, we're gonna see. And I got some stuff underneath, got lots of books there, my stationery things, yeah, just all like my important things. I just love pens, markers, anything that's school supplies, stationery things, scrapbooking, and all that. So we're gonna put that table in this area. So we're gonna start working. everyone. So it's the next day and this is my desktop table. This is what works for now. And yeah, I'm just gonna take you through all the stuff that I have in here. So I got this frame, and then this is my brother's speaker, and I got mirrors over here. I think I want to spray paint this white, and then I just have my headphones over here. This one I have this for a long time since my old computer table. Yeah, so yeah, I just have all the stuff in here that I'm using. I have some books there. I have my USB port, and I have some pens and markers, also more pens and markers, and cleaning products for my laptop. And I got this from DIY, so it's like an organizer, so it's good for my sticky notes and other kind of notepad. And also I have some tapes over here which I'm using for my business. And I just got this kind of glass jar for only 50 pesos. And also from DIY I got this weekly planner. This is the first time I'm gonna be using a weekly planner because I always use just a plain, notebook. And then I got my laptop over here. I got this mouse pad. So I got the small version and a big version. So I'm just covering the one here because my niece write the marker. So I'm just gonna hide that. Also, this is a mouse that's free from my laptop. Then for my chair, so if you've seen my video, I got this from a surplus store, but this one is lower, so I have to buy a new chair. So I'm just using this pillow that I got from surplus store also, so it does just to give me a little bit of height. And yeah, but that's what I have right now and what's working for me. I'm gonna be checking out some of chairs that would work for this area because this is my bed and that's a chair, and it's like so bulky that you can fit over here. I mean, you can if you just move this over, so you can fit in there. But yeah, so the table that I've got is from Sanyang Furniture Philippines, and what I love about this is because of this sides, so I don't have to worry about things falling down. So that's very secure. I really love that. Also here, and at the back you got this, for like cords stuff in here. That's the way behind the back. Yeah, and also got this 2 drawers, which I got this stuff I write down all my budgeting. This one is just everyday journal. The other one, there's nothing. So it's just 2 inches deep, so you can put much in there. Also underneath I don't have any storage, so I just put everything what's underneath my table before, and I still got more space than the other one because this table is a bit bigger. So I'm going to try to look for some shelvings or storage boxes that's gonna work over there. I don't know, if I'm looking at it, it's just kind of messy right now. Okay, I would highly recommend this table. This is very high quality and affordable and looks clean. My desk setup right now is not very aesthetic, but it works for me. It's very efficient. I'm gonna be slowly buying stuff to organize my things. This is not the final setup, but I just put everything that what I have right now. Okay, so that's it for my desk setup. It's very simple but efficient. I'll see you next time. Thank you. Bye.